How to completely log out of Snapchat. Now, by completely logging out of Snapchat, I'm sure you mean that you want to log out cleanly and everything else, every data to be removed, right? So even if you log out from here, you don't want your login information to be saved here. Now, first of all, what we will do is we will open Snapchat. Tap on the Bitmoji avatar from the top left and go to the gear icon, which is the settings icon from the top right. Scroll all the way to the very bottom, and first I want you to go to Save Login Info. Under Save Login Info, you want to remove any devices here because these are a list of devices where your login account is actually saved. Not logged in, but your information is saved. So here you can say this device, this is your primary device. You also want to make sure to delete this device from here. After you delete all the login information from any of these devices, if you want to log out your Snapchat account from other devices also, then you can look for an option called Session Management. When you go here, you can also log out a Snapchat account from these devices where your Snapchat account is still logged in. Last but not the least, finally, because we have already deleted our login information from this device and we have also already went ahead and then logged out from other devices, now it is completely safe for us to log out of our account. And when you log out of our account, then because we have deleted the login information, you have to enter your password again to log in, so it will not log you in directly, and just like this you will be able to completely log out of Snapchat. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.